If you're just new to the program, what we like to do is start with the things that we enjoy about this photo. For instance, I enjoy the angle. What do I mean by that? It all just kind of runs together. Everything seems to be more or less perpendicular to each other. It all just kind of fits in together. Me personally, I'm a fan of that. I like simple and clean. It's all about context clues. You gotta really think about these images, people. Try to see what the photographer wanted you to see. Let's talk about the things that I do not like. I'm not a big fan of the lighting. Harsh lighting. You can tell that by looking at this shadow here. See how defined it is? Well, let's think about it in terms of the real world. Sometimes you can use harsh lighting to create really nice imagery. This is not one of those times. None of this is real. If there's any scientists out there, let me know if I'm wrong. I really like this image. Why do I like it? Well, thank you for asking. I really like it because of the simplicity. It's just boom. We can tell exactly where this one is. We know that this is sitting on the lower third. There's the proof. The devil is in the details, but some people ain't trying to find the devil, you know? But anyways, the rule of thirds. The package is here on the lower third, leaving all of this nice negative space. I like the simplistic look. Gold of the package. White of the label. It's all just working for me. Moving on to another thing that I like. Everything within the image, every angle in the image is a 90-degree angle. It all just works. Now, a way to improve the image. A little warmth is good. Like a nice friendly hug from someone that you know. No stranger hugs. Now, Elena here has sent this image. What I like about this image is the rule of thirds. We've really been hitting it out of the park on the rule of thirds. It's not doing anything weird. It's got all this room to just sit. Very smart. That's a heady play. That's a professional play. These columns are also creating an avenue for your eyes to travel, or as I like to call it, an eye avenue. Put it on a t-shirt. Now this is Kyle. What are leading lines? You've come to the right place with a very good question. Leading lines are things within the environment that draw your eye to the subject. We're gonna have so much merch, it's gonna be great. Dislikes. I want to keep the box on the lower third and use this leading line type alleyway to really enhance the image. I would take this package here and just place it on this wall. I'm creating art. I think it works. Elena, thank you. I appreciate you sending this image.